Joint stock company Navigation Information Systems, or NISS GLONASS, is the Russian national navigation service provider. NISS GLONASS mission in Russia: providing the unity of technological management and control in the field of navigation in Russia, creating conditions for mass usage of GLONASS technologies in Russia and abroad, assistance in GLONASS-based production development in Russia and abroad, participation in the development of the state policy in the field of GLONASS commercialization, creating mass markets for competitive GLONASS equipment and services, development and introduction of GLONASS-based navigation and information systems, development and introduction of intelligent transport systems. NISS GLONASS business activity aims to meet interests of state, municipal and commercial customers. NISS GLONASS customers are Ministry of the Interior, Ministry of Emergency Situations, Ministry of Public Health, City Administrations, Russian Post, Gazprom, Rosneft, Transneft, other ministries and departments, major business groups and companies. The main projects of NISS GLONASS in the field of navigation technologies are ERA GLONASS, Emergency Road Accident Response System, Geoinformatics, Designing of Modern Cartographic Production, ITS Moscow, Intelligent Transport System of Moscow, Main Navigation and Information Center of the Russian National Navigation Service Provider, High Precision Satellite Navigation Systems, Monitoring of potentially dangerous objects and objects of special importance.
Moscow is one of the biggest cities of Russia and Europe. Moscow is the center of economical, political, cultural and informational life of the country. Population of Moscow is 10.4 million people, including temporary population of 2.9 million people. Territory of Moscow is 1081 square kilometers. The number of registered automobile transport is more than 4 million. Last year showed intensive development of vehicle fleet in Moscow. Since 1990 it grew 4.7 times. 90% of the roads are in overdrive mode. The streets of Moscow are crowded with parked automobiles. 7 to 9% of GDP is lost due to the traffic jams. There is a 15 to 20% growth of transport part in the total cost of production and services. Traffic time expenses of population are 65 minutes on the average. Public traffic intervals in rush hours are more than 15 minutes on 65% of routes. Road network in Moscow is characterized by a radial circular pattern that has evolved historically, and this influenced the housing of the city. In this regard, Moscow faces a problem of roads, crossings, intersections and parking spaces development. Because of the mismatch of the road network capacity to actual demand for transport services, the share of overloaded highways has reached 74%, resulting in significant negative consequences, namely a large number of road accidents, reducing the street capacity, worsening the city ecology. In this regard, the capital needs a fully functional ITS corresponding to world standards. The main objectives of ITS in Moscow are to increase road network capacity, to improve traffic safety and transport services. The development strategy of ITS in Moscow is aimed at gradual extension of existing system functions and active zones. ITS Moscow project is being driven in the form of public-private partnership. GLONASS-based ITS Moscow project is a set of innovation instruments for effective management of the city transport complex. The basis of the project effectiveness is centralized analysis and processing of data from all possible sources, as well as efficient delivery to the end user. Intelligent transport systems reduce costs of city transport complex, improve quality of life of residents and guests of Moscow, are good for the environment and road traffic safety. The introduction of ITS Moscow favors the development of Moscow as the world financial and business center and also improves investment and tourist attractiveness of the city. Introduction of ITS will seriously change traffic situation in the city and improve safety of Moscow roads. ITS Moscow is one of the key projects in Russia. After ITS introduction, the city transport complex will face a new level of development. The ITS introduction will positively affect social, economic, environmental aspects of living in a megalopolis. Moscow will get rid of the traffic jams, the number of accidents will be reduced, transport services and environment will be improved. ITS is a present-day innovation that to a large extent creates the image of Moscow as a high-tech, intellectual capital of the world.